This video explains the changes we have made to our accounting processes in Showing Scene. We have changed some of the terminology we use. These changes reflect what we believe are the more commonly used terms. Please be aware of these changes to avoid confusion. Nominal code has been changed to account code. Department code has been changed to tracking code. The big change is that tax codes, account codes, and tracking codes have been changed to a drop-down. The account code drop-down is called Chart of Accounts. As part of our migration, we have created these drop-downs for you and set them against the relevant section, membership, event extras, and trade and sponsorship, based on your current settings. These drop-downs can be added to, or updated in your drop-downs under Settings. For account codes and tracking codes, rows can be added, edited, and reordered with ease. Because of the impact that can come from a mistake being made when changing tax codes, we require you to enter your password after reading a warning to confirm you are aware of the ramifications of changing tax codes and that you have the knowledge to make the change. Only users with the new Manage Accounting drop-downs permission are allowed to make changes to any of the 3 drop-downs. This permission has been added to each organization's System Administrator role, which is the top level of permissions. We recommend, especially for larger organizations, that you ensure each user has a role with only the permissions they require. In your organization profile, the previous text inputs for tax codes, account codes, and tracking codes have been replaced with drop-downs. We have migrated your current settings. Each section now has a drop-down for tax code, account code, and tracking code. We have migrated your current settings. The tax rate for entries for each section will be set at the rate applicable for the tax code selected. In this example, VAT will be applied at 20%. Only users with the new Change Tax Codes permission will be able to change a tax code already assigned to the section, class, membership, event extra, or trade. This permission has been added to the System Administrator role for each organization. If you have entries for a section that require a different tax code, you can set this against the class itself. Where a class does not have a tax code set, the tax code and rate for the section will be used when calculating VAT. In this example, the section is set to 20%, but we can change the tax code for this class to 0%, tax exempt. Memberships have the same 3 drop-downs for tax code, account code, and tracking code. Use the tax code drop-down to set the VAT rate that will be applied. Event extras, trade, and sponsorship work in the same way. Use the tax code drop-down to set the VAT rate to be applied, and the account code and tracking code to be included in the accounts report for importing into your accounting software. If you have any questions after watching this video, please get in touch with the Showing Scene team.